Hikers, you're going to love the Coleman Fyrelight Stove. I'm Ben from Snowies. I'm going to tell you all about it. So let's start by looking at what you get in your box with your Fyrelight stove. First, we've got a little carry case here to store it all in your rucksack. Now the stove comes in two parts. This is the shaft that joins onto our gas cylinder and then to the stove top, and then this is the burner that goes on top of that. And we've got a little instruction manual in here as well. Now this is a great stove for lightweight hikers. It only weighs 76 grams, puts out 12,000 BTU, boils a litre of water in Coleman's tests in about 9.8 minutes, and that's in 3 metre per second winds. And you get about an hour's burn time off of a 230 gram cylinder, which is about this size here. So I'll show you how to put the Fyrelight stove together. The bottom bit here is what attaches to a gas cylinder. Now it fits all your standard gas cylinders like this guy. It's got a self-sealing threaded valve on the top there. They come in 100 gram, 230 gram and 450 gram sizes. They've all got the same valve on top to fit this stove here. Now to put this together, we want to screw this onto the black side. Now there's a little locating pin on the center of these three, or the center arm of these three. We can just see in there. Now that goes in the same spot as the little notch on the black top of this part of our stove. So we line them up and we start to screw it up, but we don't tighten it all the way just yet. So once we've just got it in place, we just move the other arms into location. There's little notches where they sit up against. Put them in position and then screw this all the way closed. Just firmly, not too tight. So now we're ready to put our stove onto our gas cylinder. So I'm just going to use a little 100 gram gas cylinder here. Now these are the cylinders with a self-sealing valve on it. So we screw this on. Now we don't over tighten these. It is an alloy metal used on these cylinders, so we don't want to strip the valve. So just firmly, so it sits nice and snug up against the top of the cylinder there. Now there's no piezo ignition with these stoves, so we do need a lighter of some sort. I've got a little barbecue lighter here. So I should also mention, I didn't do this, but you should make sure this is switched off before you attach the gas cylinder so you don't get gas coming out of the stove uncontrollably. So to get it going, I'll get this lit first, then we'll turn the gas on slowly. And that's now lit there on very low, and as I turn it around, the flame ramps right up, and it's actually, so that's actually quite a powerful little stove. I can feel the heat from here coming out of that. Now you might be wondering about the stability of the stove. Now none of these stoves are super stable. They're kind of tall. They're not designed for big pots, but I have got a 2 litre pot here that I can put on top. You probably wouldn't want to use a bigger pot than this. This is empty at the moment, but it does sit quite comfortably on top of there. This isn't the flattest surface I've got this on at the moment, but it sits reasonably comfortably. Obviously being full, it's going to rock around a little bit more. You probably wouldn't want to leave it unattended, but certainly going to do the job, and this size pot or smaller is ideal. Now packing the stove away, I guess you could pack it like this if you want, but ideally you want to remove the gas cylinder and fold these arms up. So we take that off, there'll be a little hiss of gas as we remove that, just as that self-sealing valve seals inside the cylinder there. Now we really want to fold these arms up again, so you could just sort of partly loosen that, just enough for these to fold flat. Probably better option is to, there we go, that's folded flat now, so you could put it in the bag like that if you like. That's going to fit in there, or if you want to pack it even flatter, remove the top altogether and it packs up in a really compact little size there that fits in the palm of my hand. That is the Coleman Fyrelight Trekking Stove. They're great value, they're super affordable, it's got a powerful little flame on it, and you can grab them at lowest prices every day at snowies.com.au. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time. What up guys, don't disappear yet. If you like that video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the latest information, or just leave a comment, give us a like. Alternatively, check out some of our other videos like this one down here.